If you want to create a poll on Facebook Messenger, this is one of the easiest ways to get everyone in a group chat to vote on something like a plan, a time, or even just a simple decision. Hey everyone, this is Abdul, and in this video I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger step by step. Now before we start, just keep in mind that polls are created inside a group chat on a Messenger, not on a one-to-one chat. So first, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you are in the Messenger, go to the group chat where you want to create the poll. After opening the group chat, look for the options button near the bottom left area of the chat. Tap on that and then choose poll. Now you'll see a section where you can type your poll questions. This can be something like what time should we meet, which restaurant should we go to, or which day works best for everyone. Under that, add your answer options. For example, if you're asking about a meeting time, you can put in 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. or whatever suits you best. Once you've entered your questions and the options, tap create poll. And that's it. Your poll will now appear in the group chat and everyone in the conversation can vote on it. If you want to vote in the poll yourself, just tap the options you want. And if the poll allows it, people may also be able to choose multiple answers. If this video helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.